Give me sunshine, yeah, yeah.
Welcome to the Instant Tutorials by the Ruggeds, where we every week teach you a new technique. And my name is Rico, and today I'm gonna teach you Halo. Not the one Beyonce taught you. So follow me and hit the subscribe button while you do so. Now, Halo is the middle phase from Windmill. It has the same motion, but it goes around like your forehead and the side of your head and the back of your head, which therefore is called halo, like a halo on an angel. Coincidental. Now, what's really important in doing halo is that you get the heels lined up for your weight on your legs. And while you go into a halo, you have like 3 points that you need to hit. The first point is the side chair here. Now, whenever you do halo, please tense out to your heels so your legs don't weigh as much. I have friends that still do this. They're very flexible. It doesn't look that nice. It looks cute. That's wrong. We're not going for that look. Don't do that. Now, with halo, make sure that also that your legs are open so you can swing. Now, while you swing, you'd want to go all the way up to your head, at the back side of it. So you go here. From there, you would want to catch again. Yeah? So, for instance, to beginners, try to make like a little type of line so you feel the whole circular motion from your forehead, side head, and like the back of your head. So it's much easier to know where you are. And then once you get that down, you would like to swing a little bit more and then throw from your right hand to your left arm to catch. But all that in due time, start off slow and easy. So here, make sure that your heels, like straighten out through your heels, it makes it much easier to do. Go up. See, now I'm here in my hat, up on the back side of my head. And I can go to my left arm and place my right in front and catch again. Yeah? That's the halo, so that's the good ways to do it. And this was clockwise. If you do counterclockwise, it's your left hand, but I'm clockwise, which is my right hand. So, just do a couple halos, just for the sake of it. This was halo. Yeah. Not enough talking. You go practice. You get halo down. I correct my beanie. You like and subscribe. You wash your hands. You sanitize all that shit. Sanitize your ass. I'm out. Take care. See you next week.
Can't get enough of these